Hi, I'm Scott Reel, and on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, I'd like to talk to you about perennial gardens. When designing in a sunnier area, there's a pretty wide palette of plants to use, and you can really lean hard into the flower power. Now, depending on what kind of soil you have, you might want to go with more rock garden plants, which tend to do well in drier areas. Plants like this little dianthus here just do a famous job in those drier, sandier areas. This corner of my garden sees the most sun out of just about anywhere. So it was a perfect spot for this dianthus. And the smell on this thing is just great. It's wonderful to smell that clovey smell as you come around the corner. Other plants that do real well in sunny areas are plants like asters. This is a native Nova Belgii aster. It gets a wonderful red flower. Shasta daisies. Shasta daisies do really well in sunny areas. Nepeta loves it in those hot, dry, baking kind of sunny spots. And here's another iris. We've already seen the bigger German iris. This is Japanese. They do well in either in a sunny area or a partially shaded area. Another plant that I really love in a sunny area is lavender. And the smell on lavender is just wonderful. You can see this one's just starting to bud up and get ready to come into its own. This is kind of a neat one. It's a white flowered form that you don't see too often. But again, when you're working with plants in a sunny area, think about how much sun you're getting. Think about it realistically. If it's not getting sun between 10 and 2, then it's really probably not a full sun area. You should probably be looking at plants for partial sunny areas. But in those really hot, dry areas, succulents like sedums can be a real boon to you. And again, those rock garden plants, things like dianthus, things like cerastium, they're going to do well in a hot area.